Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back. So in this video I'll be unboxing a 27-inch Dell monitor. It is this big. Let's unbox. Dell, which is a 27-inch screen. It is an SE2722H. It's an FHD 75 Hz. That's 1920 by 1080. Here is the actual screen, the monitor panel. It's actually quite big. I don't think I'll need a second monitor when I just have this one. And then this is the power cord. We then have the stand base, and then the HDMI cable. It's funny because I actually bought a cable separately. I just didn't read the description that it comes with an HDMI, so that's a loss. That is the Visa screw cover. And then we have the stand riser. And then those are the instructions and papers. One time for real dance, one time for real dance. Hey, one time for real dance, one time for real dance. Hey, one time for real dance, one time for real dance. Hey, one time for real dance, one time for real dance. Hey, one time for real dance, one time for real dance. Hey, one time for real dance, one time for real dance. You say you got the keys 21st? Try this on a beat in a pair of Vans. Where you been? I've been MIA, pull on dollar van. Boss, I ain't got change. Girls walk to us, wanna do us, screw us, who us? I show you a good time. I'm hood right, J Holiday, put you to bed. Good night. We fly drones in the hood, run game like us, got no Hollywood. That's all for the video, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what you think of the Dell, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Till the next one, bye.